Hi, this is Curtis from Bluecherry. I'm going to go over some of the features that are in Beta 5. You will need to have Beta 5 of the client and Beta 5 of the server installed for this to function. It's the exact same thing that you're familiar with using any of the other betas, as far as how to get in the configuration, how to view events, etc. You right-click on the server that you want to view, go to configure server, click on devices, and click on edit PTZ settings. We only support Pillcode D at the moment, so you'll need to make sure that your camera is set to Pillcode D. Make sure the serial port is set correctly. This is the device path. Version 1 had COM1, COM2, COM3. This is actually the physical device path. So if you have a USB to serial device, it's probably dev/USB TTY S0. Also make sure your camera address is set to whatever's on the camera. Typically when pan, tilt, zoom cameras start up, they will tell you the camera address along with the baud rate. Most cameras default to 1. If you have multiple cameras set up and working, then you'll need to change the camera address for each device. So save your changes here, exit, and then in the client, we automatically detect if it's a pan, tilt, zoom or not. So right click, go to pan, tilt, zoom. You'll notice up here that this has been enabled. So as far as controlling the pan, tilt, zoom, you'll notice these arrows as I move around the corners of the screen. This lets you go diagonally up, down, left, and right. And you also can zoom in by double clicking, or by using the mouse wheel. You can zoom in and zoom out with the mouse wheel. If you want to use a keyboard, it's Shift, arrow up, and Shift, arrow down to zoom out. You can also use the left, right, up and down keys on the on your keyboard to actually control the pan, tilt, zoom. There is preset support. If you right click, go to PTZ, click on presets. Go over here so you can see that a little bit better. Presets. So we have flavored mix, which is the first one. We also have this, which will bring us to our new H.264 PCIe cards. Creating and saving a entry is easy. Excuse our mess. One of the hard drives died in testing the server, so we've got it all jacked up here. But you right click PTZ, go to presets, click save preset, call it whatever. We're going to call this one broken computer. That saves it on the camera, and that's pretty much all of the pan, tilt, zoom in the client and how to control it. So like I said, you have the option to do it from a keyboard, and then you also have the option to do it from a mouse. If you have any questions about the pan, tilt, zoom or anything else, make sure that you post a question on the forums. And that's pretty much it for this screencast.